Hello, and welcome to the club. This sweet globe design will have you dreaming of travel and losing yourself in your next great adventure. We've shown it here with a beautiful marbled design that is as easy to do as it is to love. Your shipment this month comes with everything you see here: the B-sized Let's Get Lost transfer and 3 paste singles in Sage, Storm, and Morning Sky. Now let's get started. The surface I've chosen is our 9x12 palette board, which is perfectly suited for this transfer size. And I've got some other supplies gathered here for the project, including dishes for paste, some mini squeegees, placement tape, transfer trimmers, a fuzzing cloth, and a water bath for easy cleanup. I'll start by removing the transfer from the backer paper and sticking it down to the terry cloth side of the fuzzing cloth. This picks up a bit of lint to help gentle the adhesive and prevent stretching. I'll get it centered on my board and smooth it out, ensuring there are no bubbles or wrinkles. I'm using my placement tape today, which is similar to a washi type tape. It is a great help for masking off this stand that I want to avoid chalking. I'll start with sage paste, and I'll prepare the single packet by kneading it a bit to make sure it's well mixed and ready to go. Then I'll snip the corner off and squeeze some onto the dish. I'll repeat the same steps for the Morning Sky paste and the Storm as well. Now I'll load up my squeegee with sage, and I'll just dab some color around the board. Then, using a clean squeegee, I'll fill in some of those open areas with Morning Sky. As I do this, I'm just starting to blend and marble the two colors together. Scrape the excess off the board. And now I'm going to peel the transfer back just past where I have chalked, and that prevents the paste drying on the silk screen and ensures a clean design on my surface. Now I'll gently replace the transfer and remove the placement tape from the globe stand. It comes off so easily. It's got a nice gentle stick so it won't damage the transfer. And now I can chalk that stand. I'll use a clean squeegee to load up some Storm paste and just very carefully work my way around, chalking only the stand element of the design. The mini squeegee is perfect for chalking tight spaces. And finally, the best part, the pole. It's so cute. Marbling is a fun technique, and it really adds something special to this globe. There really is a whole world to discover with Club Couture. Happy chalking!